Everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that real quick unboxing and real quick packaging and feature showcase for the Newstarter truly wireless gaming earbuds. Alright? Now, I will tell y'all the brand name that I got these from, but it's just a bunch of letters, and I was not gonna kill your ears trying to pronounce all of those letters on camera, so I just went with using the seller's name. So the seller for these are called Newstarter. Okay, and these are the truly wireless gaming earbuds from Newstarter. Alright, so before we dive into this first impressions portion of the video, I just want to take this time to showcase the pricing and send out a big thank you to you guys and gals that use those affiliate links that are down below in every new video that I post on the channel. And I'm going to show y'all why in a second here. So these earbuds right here were about $30, a little bit below $30. I think retail price before calculating at checkout was about $29 and change. Right, let me pull up the screenshot. Yep. So retail price before calculating the taxes was $29.39, right? But they were on sale with a $2 discount coupon, okay, which brought the price down to $27.39. But thanks to you guys using those affiliate links, which, as I always say, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, I was able to cash that out for Amazon gift cards equivalent to $15.58. So these earbuds ran me a grand total of $11.81 at checkout. And once again, I want to thank you guys and gals so much for making that possible. As I said, those affiliate links help out everybody, and it's a win-win for everybody. So I appreciate it when you guys and gals find the videos interesting enough to use those purchasing links down below. Alright? But full retail after taxes, these are $29.39. Alright? Alright, so I just wanted to highlight the pricing there. Now let's go ahead and get into the first impressions with these earbuds. Now, starting off, I gotta tell y'all, I really do like the overall look and design of these, because these are very gamer-esque. I mean, they call themselves gaming earbuds. So these LEDs on the side here, they kind of light up while in use. Alright, and this is a touch-sensitive area as well. Kind of bummed about that, but they look really good while in use. Now, I've only tried them out for roughly about 20 minutes, so these are truly my first impressions. All I've done was charge up the charging case, charge up the earbuds, box everything back up, and then push record on this video. But I did want to try these out to make sure that they did have a feature that I really enjoy. And these, as I showcased earlier, do really give you the ability to use them in stereo mode as well as independent mode. So thank you, Newstarter. That's a must-have feature in my opinion. Really happy to see that. That's the only thing that I tested out before recording this unboxing and first impressions video, because I didn't want to be disappointed like the last pair of earbuds that I just finished recording. Okay? But these are true first impressions here, so let's go ahead and try them on. Let me give y'all my overall first impressions of the fit and the feel. Then we're going to go ahead and take some selfies so y'all can see how they look in my ears. And then we're going to go ahead and wrap the video up. So let's get started here. So I do believe this is the left earbud right here. Yep, this is the left, and it is branded right up there. It's kind of hard to see because it's very glossy, but it is branded right there in the corner. So these are the left earbuds. Let's drop this in. Okay, not bad, not bad. A little loose, And then these are the right earbuds, and again, it's branded right there in the corner. And it is kind of hard to see, but it is branded right there in the corner. Let's drop the right earbud in. Alright. Again, kind of loose. I feel like I may want to go ahead and go through the included earbuds and find a more solid fit. And if I don't find a solid fit from the included earbud tips, I'll go ahead and bust out my custom tips so I can continue on with the reviewing process. But first impressions of the stock included tips, they're a little loose. They feel kind of loose to me. Let me do a quick shake test. Okay. So they are moving around a lot more than I would like. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and switch these out before I start the reviewing process. But First impressions of the overall fit, they're okay. First impressions of the overall feel, they're good. I do wish the fit was a little bit better. Okay? Now let's take the selfies and wrap this video up. So, Pixel 2 XL on deck here today. And spoiler alert, I'm not going to ruin the video, but I do have a new device incoming. Well, new to me anyway, that's going to be replacing this Pixel 2 XL. Okay? I'm going to explain why in that video, but we will have a new device being brought into the channel and new coverage on that new device in a later video. A little bit of a spoiler, but I'm not going to tell y'all what. Alright, Pixel 2 XL on deck. Let's open this up. Let's launch these cameras. And let's take these photos. So, switch to the front-facing camera. Let's take a real quick front profile. Yeah, you really can't tell. Boom. Let's take a real quick side profile. Boom. And let me check them out. Alright, yeah, so traditional stems, it doesn't look half bad. And yeah, from the front you can barely tell. Let me show y'all here. So here's the front profile. You can barely tell that I have them in my ears. If I zoom in, you can kind of see, but you really got to be paying attention there. But from a distance, if I zoom out, you really can't tell. And then switching to the side profile, you do have that stem that hangs down, but it looks pretty good. I'm used to this by now. If you're used to rocking traditional earbuds, you're used to that stem style. And the stems do incorporate some really good microphones, so I can't wait to test those out. Alright, but overall, it looks pretty good. I'm not mad at it. Okay? Especially based on what I've seen while I used it for about 20 minutes. I really do like that green LED that flashes while it's in use. So, really good overall in my opinion. So, first impressions of the Newstarter truly wireless gaming earbuds are really good. Okay? Now, as I did with my other earphones, we're not going to give y'all a specific time on these videos. We're just going to release the videos as I finish them. So up next, directly after this video, in about a week's time, maybe a week and a half, I'll get into the microphone performance test for y'all. And then directly after that, we'll go directly into the fit and sound demo for y'all as well. And then directly after that, everything should lead up to and culminate with that full review. Alright? So by the time we get to the full review, you guys and gals should know everything that y'all need to know about these earbuds. Alright? And let me take them out. And yeah, that pretty much brings this video to a close. Alright? As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. As always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description, and those are affiliate links, so a small percentage of that does go back into the channel, and that is how I continue to bring content to you guys and gals. And there is also donation links available as well. That is on my about page on my YouTube page. Okay, so y'all check that out. But really, I would prefer it if y'all just make your purchase and use those affiliate links. This way, y'all get a great deal and I get my little small percentage of kickback. But if you do want to donate and keep the content flowing, check out my about page on my YouTube page for the donation links. Alright? This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Active. This is recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.